Just tell us a little bit about how your team went about sort of identifying and selecting a HR solution.
Our need was to have a solution which was very good from a user experience point of view. Yes, and so we wanted the experience of our HR customers to be smooth, to be seamless, to be accessible. That's one. And number two, the existing system it had a lot of limitations. So we wanted to make sure that whatever feedback that we got from user experience in the past were also addressed in terms of functionality, in terms of its ease of use. So again, it's around user experience. Number two, we wanted a system that would also help us be more efficient in our HR processes. Try and reduce the manual work. We wanted to make sure that by introducing the system, it would smoothen out and make easier some of our processes. And the third requirement is we wanted a platform which we could engage our staff. So with these three clear requirements in place,